I want to show you guys how to go ahead and assemble the 2-pack realistic crows that you're going to get. This is exactly how it's going to come up from Amazon. Basically, these are your two sizes you're going to get. One of them is going to have the little wood pieces inside. Now, these are very lifelike, very realistic looking. I really like these for the Halloween decorations. It's something different. This one right here, these are the pieces that you're going to want to remove. How you do that to put these wings in is just kind of just start like wiggling it around a little bit and just pull it on out. These wings will fit flush to the crow, so you can't tell. And these look very nice. I liked the way it was easy to assemble. They stayed in, they don't come out. And it was a very good spooky decoration for our Fright Night theme.